What I have here is a knuckle boom log loader. And what happened is my engine is bad. The engine itself, it runs great, but while it's sitting, I got antifreeze getting into my oil pan. Funny thing about it, but what's confusing is that if I pull my dipstick, my oil's not milky. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a swivel crane so I can remove this engine, another engine in. This right here, I had made this and I had it on a like a wooden platform that I use as a crane. You might have seen a little bit of it when I was working on my rear end on my dump truck, but I'm gonna weld it to this frame right here, so I won't have to use my dozer for the weight to keep it down. When welding, if you look at any of my previous videos on welding, I suggest always get your auto darkening helmet. Make it a lot easier on you. Take your eyes as much as you can. When I weld, my preference is a 70-18 welding rod. I use others, but that's my go-to preference. Got all four sides of my platform welded down to the trailer. Now I got this piece of pipe, 7 feet long. The diameter of this pipe is 4 inches, and the pipe that I'm sliding into it on the outside, 4 inches. It might be a little tight, but I'm gonna grease it up on the other end so it go in pretty good. Now it's time to put the swivel arm on now. I got the top of that pipe right there, that's greased up. Now I'm gonna take the bobcat and raise up and put the swivel arm on now. Bobcat is kind of halfway out of commission. This seal right here, it blew out on me, so I'm gonna have to repack that. So for now, I just kept them lines off so I can still use my bobcat in an emergency such as this one. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, especially to make it easy for you. Next, I take me some rope and put up on there so I can stand on the ground and rotate it after I pick the engine up. All right, I do have me 2 anchor points set, one on the trailer and one on that skittle. Now, let's see if we can move this engine out the way. take our rope, see if we can pull it. Maybe too heavy for me to swivel on the ground. I may have to hook the tractor up to the rope and pull it. The engine's in there. She ready to sit on the ground. There we go. I just tied the string on the bobcat and pulled it over. Now just set it on the ground. Engine's on the ground. Homemade swivel crane. There you have it.